Click on the brush icon to access to site styles. Then click on Fonts. Here you can see different options to customize the fonts on your website. Select headings, for example. You can update the font family of your headings, or browse all fonts. You can adjust the size of your headings relative to the base font size. The same features also apply to the paragraph fonts. Squarespace allows you to customize fonts for different types of buttons. Select Assign Styles, and you can customize fonts for all elements on your website. For example, select Site Navigation, and choose a custom style instead of paragraph. You can make the text uppercase, for instance. Otherwise, while in the Assign Styles menu, move your mouse and click on any text on the page preview, and this will automatically bring up that specific font option. Make sure to click Save to apply all your changes. Thank you for watching.